Once more, my name is Godwin, the author of African Bedtime Stories. Have fun and enjoy yourself.
Once upon a time, the dog and the fox were good friends. They both shared a room at the house of a farmer, their master, whom they worked for as night guards. They were night guards for the farmer. They were so friendly that they shared all secrets and spent most part of the night telling stories. One day, Fox came back with a rabbit.
Great Fox! Where did you get the catch?
Fox smiled and said, "Dog, my friend, I know where the farmer sets his traps. Today, it caught a rabbit. He has not been feeding us, so I felt this might serve us."
Foxy, you did the right thing. I am starving and really need the meat.
They both shared the meat. The second time, Fox came home with a pot of wine.
Great Fox, where did you get the wine?
Dog, my friend, I know where the farmer taps his wine. We have not had anything to drink for the past few days, so I felt this might serve us tonight.
Foxy, you did the right thing. I am so thirsty and really need the wine.
They both shared the wine. The farmer had a pretty daughter who liked to play with Fox. She stroked his ears and groomed his fur. The dog tried to win the love of the farmer's daughter over so that he could get groomed too. But the pretty girl didn't like Dog as much. Dog thought, if I could get rid of Fox,
I will be the only one in the farmyard. The farmer's daughter will be forced to like me.
While Fox went away to check the farmer's trap, Dog walked up to the farmer and asked him,
Master, have your traps been catching anything lately?
No luck lately, I wonder.
Master, have your palm trees been producing enough wine lately?
No, not enough lately, I wonder.
But Foxy's palm trees have been producing a lot lately, that we always had enough to drink each night.
Fox has no palm trees and traps. How did he get the meat and wine?
Master, I don't know a thing. I am only a loyal guard to you. I didn't know where you either set your traps or kept your wine pots. But I suggest you stand behind our window by midnight. You might hear something.
At the appointed time, the farmer stood behind the dog's and fox's house. Fox came home with a bag of grapes. Dog asked him,
Great fox, where did you get the grapes?
Dog, my friend, just like the traps and the wine pots, I know where the farmer stores his ripe grapes. We have not had any fruits to eat for the past few days, so I felt this might do us tonight.
Foxy, you sure know all the farmer's secrets, but I'm full tonight.
Just as Fox settled down to eat the grapes alone, the farmer jumped out. He hit the head of the fox with a big stick. Fox managed to run out. He ran into the bush and never came back again. The farmer's daughter hated Dog even more for what he did. She kicked him whenever he came close to her, saying,
You creepy dog. What Fox did was bad, but betraying your best friend was even worse. Whom do you want to betray next to look good?
Get out. Dog lost his friend, Fox, and didn't get any attention from the farmer's daughter either. This is the end of this story. Did you learn any lesson from this story?
Yes, Auntie.
Can we get some of the lessons? Yes. Tell us.
Auntie, I learned that it's not good to betray your friend.
Do not betray your friend. Any other story? Any other lesson? Any other lesson? Yes.
I learned that
Please say it again.
I learned that it's good to take excuses.
Yes, you should take excuses before you take anybody's property, okay? You don't just go take people's property.
We went to the lion's den, the beast in the best again. And suddenly monkey came down and jumped before them there. The monkey gave a jump and killed the lion's knees. The lion's knees hurt down the monkey. That is the end of the monkey. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzees started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their load together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once chimpanzees started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the ugliest must carry all their load, and at once the baboon started weeping. One day all animals went traveling. They packed all their loads together. They said the hungriest must carry all their load, and at once gorilla started weeping.